One of the biggest challenges with RV living is finding a water source that's safe for your consumption. With a water filtration system, you can do better. Our experts have researched and reviewed the 7 top-rated RV water filter systems. We'll explain the differences between each model to find you the best value and get the clean water flowing. As always, we'll include additional information and our exclusive direct discount prices in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting with the best overall is the Clearsource Ultra RV water filter system with VirusGuard. If you don't mind investing in a water filter for RV that can offer you efficiency for the long term, the Clearsource Ultra RV water filter system with VirusGuard will surely get the job done. For starters, it's the only device that uses NASA-developed technology to reduce or eliminate viruses, bacteria, and cysts. Clearsource's patented Ultra system features a 3-stage filter that helps to ensure the best quality water for your consumption and appliances. Its 5-micron first-stage filter removes sediment and rust. The 0.5-micron second-stage coconut shell carbon block filter reduces chlorine and improves the taste and smell of water. And its trademark VirusGuard 3rd-stage filter has been certified to reduce cysts and bacteria like E. coli and is the only RV filter to remove viruses. The Clearsource Ultra RV water filter system with VirusGuard is also made with industry-exclusive powder-coated metal chassis and stainless steel fittings to ensure durability and efficiency. You also get a standard canister size that ensures consistent pressure and maximum water flow, even when you're using all of your RV fixtures at once. All of the system's connections can also fit standard RV water hoses and are designed to withstand wear and tear, even with constant use. The pros are its point-of-entry system to protect your entire RV, its easy installation. It utilizes NASA-developed technology. The Ultra system features 3 stages of filtration, and it's the only RV filter to remove viruses using VirusGuard. The cons are that it is slightly more expensive than smaller alternatives. At number 2 is the Camco Evo Premium Water Filter for RVs. Designed to provide the best quality water for your RV adventures, the Camco Evo Premium Water Filter helps to reduce bacteria, chlorine, sediments, and other contaminants to improve the purity and taste of the water that you're using in your RV, no matter where your source is. The filter system comes with a filter housing, a replaceable polypropylene filter cartridge, and a 12-inch extension hose that makes it easy for you to connect to a water source when you're posted up at the campground. This RV water filter system can also be attached to any standard water or gardening hose, so you can easily get clean water that's fit for drinking and use in your RV. The Camco Evo Premium water filtration process begins with water going through a porous shell filter that's less than 5 microns to remove bigger contaminants and sediments. Then, it goes through a granulated activated carbon filter and KDF filter to reduce bacteria and remove harmful contaminants from your drinking water. Once water enters your faucet, you can already assure that it's free from any odor, bad taste, and contaminants, which means that you can drink water straight from your tap wherever you're camping. The pros are that it utilizes a granulated activated carbon filter and KDF filter. It uses CSA low lead content certified materials. It fits standard gardening and water hoses, and it includes filter housing and hose extension. The cons are that the hose can be too short to reach some water hose bibs. At number 3 is the FRIZZLIFE MV99 Inline RV Water Filter. A compact, yet highly efficient RV water filter system, the FRIZZLIFE MV99 water filter is known for its sturdy body and fittings, efficient filtration process, and high-quality material that's designed to withstand constant use in your RV. It comes with lead-free brass fittings that's compatible with any standard 3/4 garden hoses, a brass water pressure regulator that keeps your system safe from extra high water pressure that comes from your outdoor source. The included filter holder keeps the filtration system in place to prevent any damage and leakage from tipping over. The FRIZZLIFE MV99 water filter removes harmful contaminants in your water, while keeping essential minerals to provide you with healthy drinking water straight from your tap. Importantly, it's certified NSF, ANSI 42 and 53 for the highest purification standards. Once connected to a water source, you get instant access to clean water at a flow rate of 1.5 GPM, where you can fill up a cup of water within just 3 seconds. This water filter for RV is also designed to last twice as long as other regular filters, because a single MV99 filter is equivalent to 1,512 plastic bottles of water. The pros are that the filters are NSF ANSI certified, the strong water flow rate of 1.5 GPM at 60 psi, It includes high-quality braided stainless steel connectors and the easy installation. The cons are that some customers complained about the regulator not being efficient. At number 4 is the Camco TastePure Inline RV water filter with flexible hose protector. It may be smaller than most standard filters, but this Camco RV water filter can do the job of its bigger counterparts. For starters, it features a 20-micron granulated activated carbon (GAC) filter that removes chlorine, sediment, bad taste, and odor in water. And since it's designed for use in RVs, it's equipped with a KDF treatment to prevent any bacterial growth when you're not using it. The Camco TastePure RV water filter is also NSF ANSI 42 and 53 certified, and it's made with lead-free content that follows all federal and state-level lead-free laws. This Inline RV water filter even lasts for 3 months, so you don't need to replace it constantly. It can also be attached to any standard water or gardening hose, and it has a flexible hose protector that reduces kinking and strain on your connection to make sure that you can use your filter for a long time. Aside from RVs, the Camco TastePure RV water filter is also ideal for use in boats, car washing, and even in your backyard. And since it's made with the best quality materials, you can guarantee that it will last for a long time. The pros are that it's NSF ANSI 42 and 53 certified. It's 20-micron granulated activated carbon (GAC) filter, the KDF treatment to prevent bacterial growth, and it's inexpensive compared to other options. And the cons are that it's not as comprehensive filtration as larger options. At number 5 is the Waterdrop D4 Compact Tankless RO system. Considered one of the most efficient water filter systems for RVs on the market, the Waterdrop D4 Compact Tankless RO system features a 6-in-1 filter that reduces more than 1,000 harmful contaminants in your water to ensure that you get healthy drinking water no matter where you go. It also boasts of a 1-to-1 drain ratio to produce 300% more filtered water than most RO filter systems. This means that you're not wasting any water, and you're maximizing the water source that you have when you're on the road. The filter also needs to be replaced only once a year, and you can remove and replace the old filter quickly with its easy change design. Because the Waterdrop is tankless, the main system only measures 12.44 inches in height, so it can fit under your small sink. You also get a metal finish faucet that blends well with the rest of your RV kitchen and offers consistent, fast, and extensive flow. This RV water filter also uses an integral waterway design, which eliminates the need for connectors in your internal water tubing. This means that you don't need to worry about bacteria growth or water leakage when you're using the filter in your RV, and it hooks up in a matter of minutes. The pros are its highly effective 6-in-1 reverse osmosis filter. It reduces 1,000 plus harmful substances in water, its 1-to-1 drain ratio for minimum wastewater, and its compact tankless design fits perfect in small spaces. It also installs in only a few minutes. The cons are that it's slightly more expensive than less comprehensive systems, and the filters need to be replaced about once a year. At number 6 is the Travel Berkey Gravity Water Filter System. If you want a water filter that you can bring outside your RV and anywhere you want to, the Travel Berkey is definitely one of the best that you can find on the market. This compact filter system has a 1.5-gallon capacity, and it can filter up to 2.75 gallons of water per hour without the need for an electric connection. Made with top-quality 304 stainless steel, the Travel Berkey is compact enough that it can fit any small countertop space in your RV, boat, or apartment. You can even use it when traveling since it can fit inside a suitcase pretty easily, so you can ensure clean drinking water wherever you go. The Travel Berkey relies on gravity to push water into its dual filter system, where it removes harmful contaminants to give you clean, healthy drinking water for up to 6 people. Because you can use water from any water source, even streams and lakes, it can filter water that you need during your camping trip or even when you're at home. Its high-polish stainless steel finish and 304 stainless steel body also means that this portable countertop water filter system can last you for a lifetime. The pros are that there's no need for electricity. You can fill the system up with water from any source. It has a compact, portable design that can be used anywhere, and the dual black Berkey filters are included. Optional fluoride filter additions are available. And the 304 stainless steel body and high-polish stainless steel finish. The cons are that the water flow rate is slower than some options because it relies on gravity. At number 7 is the Epic Smart Shield Under Sink Filter. The Epic Smart Shield is one of the most efficient sink faucet mount filters that you can invest in to remove 99.99% of over 70 known tap water contaminants. For starters, you can easily install this system under your sink without the need to drill holes in your counter or make any huge changes in your existing plumbing system, which can be expensive. You can connect this RV water filter system directly to your sink's cold water line within a few minutes, and with just a standard Phillips head screwdriver and an adjustable wrench. The Epic Smart Shield has a carbon block water filter that can remove contaminants of up to 1 micron using the absorption process through the activated coconut carbon surface areas. The filter removes heavy metals, cysts, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, and herbicides. It also has a 2-inch thick depth filtration that removes even suspended waste products to ensure that you only get the best quality water for your RV. And if you're worried about bacterial growth, the Epic Smart Shield is equipped with a bacteria-resistant coating that's not susceptible to bacteria or mold growth, which is perfect for periods of time the filter is not being used. This water filter can even be installed on your refrigerator, and it's certified against NSF, ANSI 42, 53, and 401. The pros are that it removes 99.99% of over 70 water contaminants. It produces 650 gallons of water before replacing the carbon filter. It's easy installation with no plumbing modifications, and it's bacteria and mold resistant. The cons are that it's strictly a point-of-use system and not a comprehensive solution for the RV. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive Freshnss discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.